What's up guys? Today I just wanted to talk to you real quick about this GoPro tripod mount. I've been doing content creation for about the last 2 years, and this is one of my favorite accessories for a GoPro. It lets you set up really nice interview style footage, or if you like doing time lapses or star lapses, it works really well for setting your GoPro up in a stable position. It has a really nice plastic construction like you can see here. I've been using this one for about the last year and it's still holding up great. Really easy to use. You just slip on any type of GoPro mount, stick the screw in, and you're ready to go. And since I'm using this as an example of a tripod, you simply put this in the bottom right here, spin it on, and you are good to go. So incredibly useful, tons of different applications. If you don't have one yet, I think you will absolutely love it. It allows me to get a lot of unique and creative shots with my GoPro that I couldn't do otherwise. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.